is Yolanda de la Cruz, and I'm the president of NISCO Philippines. And we are into food packaging and processing equipment manufacturing. Actually, it's a long time ago and I can't remember when I started mentoring. And they consider me as one of their icon mentors already.
Wow.
Sa experience ko, may mga mentees na nauupo in my front, on my table na yung para bang ang laki-laki ng dinadala nilang problema sa mundo na nakapatong na sa balikat nila before sila umupo sa harapan mo. And pagtayo nila, yung tuwan-tuwa na sila and thankful na, Ma'am, thank you very much. Nagliwanag yung utak namin, natulungan mo kami, mga ganong comments. And meron din mga mentees na yung mga napifeel mo yung problemang dinadala nila and then pagtayo nila, magaang na yung itsura ng mukha nila and meron pang mga umiiyak na tears of joy na nagpapasalamat sa'yo na thank you very much, ma'am. Siyempre, I'm very happy because natutulungan namin sila. And yun lang sabihin sa'yo na, thank you ma'am, hulog ka ng langit sa akin. Is napakalaking bagay, nakakataba ng puso, di ba? And yun naman ang purpose natin lahat dito. Yung tulungan natin sila, tulungan natin kung anong magagawa natin, how to improve their businesses. I'd like to invite all the business owners ng meron silang mga negosyo that they could share their experiences and masarap maging mentor ng Go Negosyo. And I want them to experience also what I am experiencing being a mentor of Go Negosyo. Keep on going and spread pa natin nationwide yung ginagawa natin sa Go Negosyo para mas maraming makaalam kung ano yung ginagawa ni Go Negosyo. Mas marami tayong matulungan.